Welcome back to another video, guys. Today this is going to be part 1 of me restoring this 1993 Acura Integra, also known as a DA Integra. So this is my old Integra. I did sell it like a year and a half ago, but it's been passed around a little bit, neglected a little bit, so I'm gonna end up restoring the whole entire thing, hopefully make some pretty good content in the process. And yeah, so first thing I'm gonna get started with was there was never any carpet in here, so I went and picked up some dry ice, and I'm doing the little dry ice trick for all the sound deadening. It ended up coming out relatively easy. It did take some time, but I did get most of it out. And then the second thing is the clear coat's peeling on everything, and I was planning on wrapping this car, so I had to sand down every single little spot that the clear coat was chipped on, and I had to get like all the loose clear coat off and stuff like that. This hole you're seeing in the hood I will address in like a later video. I'm gonna end up welding a plate to it and then making it look all nice. Also, I'm probably not gonna do anything with the engine in this video today or anything with the engine bay. But if you guys do have a color in mind that you think I should paint it, feel free to leave that in the comments and let me know. Right now I'm just walking around the car, pretty much showing off the sanding that I've done, and then also I had to take the badges off. They were like glued on with some weird like Gorilla Glue type stuff instead of factory. Also, I forgot to mention that this car was repainted at one point, but whoever painted it really rushed on everything, and the clear coat, like, it was super cheap, so it's just peeling off. Also, this car does have a B20 in it. I haven't really decided what I'm going to put into it yet, if I'm going to keep it. I'm probably going to end up putting a B18 like I do with everything else. But yeah. Here's a closer look at the residue the badges left when I took them off. So I had to sand all that down, make it nice. I took the headlights off as well as the fenders. Pretty much the whole front end is off now. I did end up taking the door panels off just so I could have access to the exterior handle and the trim piece on the doors. So this is like the third time I've washed this car in this spot right here. Every time I wash it, I keep finding like extra parts of clear coat that are peeling off, so I gotta go back and sand everything and then re-wash it. But this was the last time I ended up washing it, and then after that, I just ended up wiping panels off that I was getting ready to wrap. So yeah, as you can tell, I've been trying to talk a little bit more in my videos, but I still do have a lot of time-lapse stuff. So if you don't want to watch all that and you just want to see like the end of everything, skip just to the end of the video and I can have like the reveal of what I'm wrapping and after everything's done. here's the door all wrapped, the trim pieces on. Let me know what you guys think about the color in the comments. Also, I did a little body work. There's a dent right here, and then there's some more clear coat peeling, of course. And then up on the roof, more clear coat problems, typical. And the driver's side door had a pretty bad spot in it, and I had to patch that. There's another dent there. But other than that, I mean, the body's getting a lot straighter now, so hopefully I could get more of the wrapping done. And yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you stay tuned for the next one. I got a lot more planned for this car.
You ain't got my money on my word, I'm killing you.